currently at the Indiana Memorial Union Building. They say it's water wrapped or rain wrapped tornado, so it's covered in rain. You can't really see it, so it's about to hit us about 30 seconds, maybe a minute out. But this is the parking lot at the IMU, it's called Indiana Memorial Union Building, but pretty spectacular. First tornado ever. If you're a tornado chaser, I get it. No wind, the unpredicted. Is it gonna go this way? That way? Is the tornado gonna take out? Ooh, like in Twister, and like, is that a reality? Yes, it's a reality. Yes. Ouch.